Let's take a look at the Space Grand Challenge 2022 Discord server. You can think of the server as an online event center, complete with various rooms and booths that you can visit. These are categories, which are represented as booths, and inside these categories are different channels containing different information. There are two types of channels, text and voice. Text channels are standard group messaging threads that you've probably seen around. Voice channels are group chats that support audio and video rather than text-based messaging. You can join other voice channels to chat with other event attendees face-to-face. Let's get you logged on to the Discord server. If you have never used Discord before, the steps are fairly simple. Click on the invite link that you've received in the email. You'll see a browser window that will bring you to the Discord landing page. If you already have an account, you can log in using your credentials. Otherwise, enter a username and press continue. Complete the CAPTCHA, enter your birth date, and sign up for a new account. You'll be asked to confirm the email address that you've provided. After you have confirmed, you can log into Discord using your new account. If for some reason you're not added immediately, you can always click on the server invite link again. Upon entering the Space Grand Challenge 2022 Discord server, you'll see a rules channel and a verify channel. Please make sure you have read and understood all the rules before the competition. Next, you want to head over to the verify channel and click start. You'll be prompted with a few questions to determine what role you should be given. If you are a participant, you will have to enter an email and a password to get your role. If you are a participant and you have entered the wrong email or password, please dismiss the messages and try again. If you have tried multiple attempts but still can't log in, press the help button and staff will DM you shortly. After you've been verified into the Space Grand Challenge, you will have access to all the channels that comprise of this year's event. Some channels are private and can only be accessed by predetermined groups on the server, like team channels. Other channels are public and can be accessed by anyone, like the help desk. Finally, some channels are view only, which means that you are allowed to view the messages in the channel, but not send the messages, like in the announcement channel. Here are some important channels to note. The announcement channel is for updates and notifications during the event. Always keep an eye out on the announcement channel to stay up to date. The events channel is where you can see all the events happening during the Space Grand Challenge. It will contain the time of all the events, as well as the link to join them. Be sure to check out the event schedule to see what event is going on. Help desk is where you can ask general questions you might have during the Space Grand Challenge to staff. You can also see previous questions that have already been asked, and maybe your question has already been answered. Please note this is not a place for the competition itself. For that, please use the command /help_message or go to the channel help request. Click on the type of help you want and fill out the form. A moderator will assist you shortly. You can use the print queue command to see your spot in the queue. If you're a Space Grand Challenge participant, you will automatically be added to the text and voice channels based on your team. You will use this channel to communicate with your team, and you will not have access to any other team channels. To voice chat with your team, click on your team's voice chat channel, and make sure you have your microphone connected. You can mute and unmute yourself by pressing the mic, and turn on your camera by clicking on and off the camera button. If you are an event spectator, you can check out the Coaches and Parents Lounge. Here you can discuss the challenge and other cybersecurity related topics. You also have a voice channel as well. The CCI headquarters is a hub where you can learn about the event host, the California Cybersecurity Institute. You can learn about our efforts to further cybersecurity education at CCI Info Booth. Don't be afraid to connect by using the Connect Booth channel, and finally keep up with our live Twitter feed in the Twitter channel. Check out the sponsor booth to meet with the organizations that have helped make the Space Grand Challenge a reality. That's it. Remember to reach out if you have any questions, and we are looking forward to seeing you on game day.